Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech innovations. If you're looking to capture every detail on the road, today we're diving into the top 5 best dash cams with Night Vision 2025. Whether you're concerned about security, insurance claims, or just want to ensure peace of mind while driving, these dash cams have got you covered. The links to all the products are in the description below, so let's get started with the video. Taking the 5th spot is the Tuisau 4K Wi-Fi dashcam. This dashcam offers all-around surveillance with its front, rear, and interior cameras, recording in impressive 4K divided by 2.5K plus 1080p plus 1080p resolution. The front camera has a wide 170-degree field of view, and the rear camera provides a 120-degree angle, reducing blind spots and ensuring better visibility on the road. The J10 model features a switchable 4K plus 1080p dual mode for customizable recording, allowing you to choose between recording the front or both the front and interior. With built-in 5G WiFi, the dashcam easily connects to the WiFi app for real-time video management, downloading, and sharing. The night vision feature ensures clear footage even in low-light conditions, while parking monitoring, G-sensor, and loop recording further enhance safety. The dashcam includes a 64GB SD card for storage, and an optional ACC hardware kit is required for 24-hour parking monitoring. Taking the 4th spot is the Coolcrazy 4K Dual Dashcam. This dashcam records in Ultra HD 4K plus 1080p resolution, ensuring detailed video footage from both the front and rear of your vehicle. The front camera offers a wide 170-degree view, while the rear camera captures a 150-degree angle, providing maximum road coverage. The built-in 5G WiFi allows you to easily view, manage, and share your recordings through the app on iOS or Android devices. It comes with a 64GB memory card for storing footage. The Coolcrazy N8 also features superior night vision, capturing clear images even in low-light environments, and a parking mode that automatically activates when the vehicle is parked. An additional ACC hardwire kit is required. With integrated GPS, you can view your driving route, speed, and even add a speed stamp to your videos. The dashcam also supports loop recording and G-sensor technology, which automatically locks and protects footage in the event of a sudden impact. Taking the 3rd spot is the Affver 4K dashcam. The Affver 4K dashcam offers dual-channel recording in 4K UHD for the front camera and 1080p for the rear, capturing a 160-degree and 155-degree wide-angle view, respectively. This allows for clear and cinematic video evidence, perfect for resolving accident disputes or insurance claims. The dashcam features enhanced 5 GHz WiFi for faster video downloads, with the app providing real-time tracking of speed, route, and location through the built-in GPS. The 3.59-inch IPS screen provides clear visuals, while the low-profile design maintains clear visibility. Taking the 2nd spot is the Rove 2 4K Dual Dashcam. This dashcam offers impressive dual-channel recording with the front camera capturing 4K resolution at 3840x2160p and the rear camera recording at 1080p resolution. With a 150 degrees ultra-wide angle view for the front camera and a 140 degrees angle for the rear, it ensures maximum coverage of the road ahead and behind. Equipped with the Sony Starvis 2 sensor, it delivers exceptional video quality, even in low-light conditions, enhanced by the front camera's f1.5 aperture. The Rove 2 also features ultra-fast 5G WiFi, enabling video downloads of up to 20 megabytes per second, making it easy to manage and share your 4K videos. Taking the 1st spot is the IIWEY N5 4-channel dashcam. This versatile dashcam offers 360 degrees all-round coverage, recording in a variety of resolutions, including 1440p for the front, 1080p for the rear and side cameras, as well as a 720p mode for diverse needs. Equipped with a 170 degrees wide-angle front and rear cameras and 150 degrees side cameras, it ensures a comprehensive view of your surroundings. The N5 features super night vision with its f1.8 aperture and WDR technology, providing clear footage even in low light conditions. With built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi, it offers 4x faster connectivity for seamless control through the free app.